Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have got an unboxing today. A Metal Man MT140T lightweight, versatile, inverter powered, multi-process, MIG, stick, and TIG welder for a whole $179. Bad thing is it's only 120 volt, 20 amp input, and 140 amp output peak. It's about a 90 amp welder. But I did an awful job with this with an acetylene torch. Why? This is a big heat sink, and it just sucks all the heat out. The torch can only put out so much, and when you only have 10 pounds of acetylene, it don't take long to go through all of that. We are going to open it up today. I apologize for all the noise. It's a little bit earlier in the day that I normally do my videos, and I'm not in my shop. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Now, I bought this at Tractor Supply. You buy them online. They are 300 and I believe, don't quote me, 369 bucks. You've got a local Tractor Supply. Go inside, and you're gonna have to look. They were hiding them at my Tractor Supply, but have to look and find them. But yeah, they're clearancing them out of the stores. It's not a in-store sale item. And this has been sitting in the store since like Christmas, and here it is now, just after tax day. And so it was meant for me. So, white foam. And she's stout. She is not a light torch. Oh, and of course, gotta know how to open the bag. There we have it. For your argon gas, for your TIG and MIG welding. I'm just going to be using the gun. Here's the TIG gun. You gotta be kidding me. I can't weld with it. Oh wait, I bet you they're hiding it in here. Yes, thank God. I would get a little worried there. I didn't think I was going to do well. So, let's take a look at it here real quick. So, digital displays. Spot timer. So when you're TIG welding, you can it'll just come on for just a second. 3 settings: MIG, stick, TIG, and spool gun. So if you want to weld aluminum, get you one of those expensive spool guns. That's probably not something I'm going to do. Aluminum, to me, I'm not making boats or nothing, so I'm not going to need to weld aluminum really. So here we have your wire feed, and also adjust your amperage. Then we have voltage right here to adjust your voltage, and your spot timer, how long you want that spot timer to be on. So, and let's see what it says on the front here. It says 120 volts input, 140 amps output, spool gun ready, spot timer, welds up to 3/16 mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum material. So it's got your standard, I don't remember what they call those connectors, but the standard connector. This one you plug in to positive, neutral, depending on what way you're welding. Gigantic connector there for your MIG gun, TIG gun. Looks like it's got a power pin, so I'm hoping we'll be able to turn the electricity on and off with this, although with gas, most likely going to have a nozzle on there. I don't think it won't turn on gas by itself. So on the back you have a gas input right here. I'll just leave that corked off. Power switch. I don't know why they put the power switch on the back, but power switch is back here in the back. Probably like an ATX computer power supply. It's where the power supply is at. So, and inside here we have instructions how to set it up. So, steel. We are going to use Flux Core steel, polarity DCEP. We're using 30 thou wire. We'll put it at put it at 10. Oops. We'll put it at 9. And the wire feed at 5 to 7. So there's your different wiring diagrams. Your roller driver looks like it'll take 0.023 wire and 0.030 wire. I'm sure you probably buy different size spools in here for that. I do know when you run TIG, you have to disconnect this and plug it in here, so it actually doesn't use the same port for TIG. I just remembered reading that. So it's got a disconnect on there. Yeah, right there it talks about, oh, I'm sorry, spool gun. TIG will still use this if you're running a spool gun. You'll go through there. And so with the spool gun, you actually got a way to feed the hose through, up and around. And so there's your tension setting. Oh, come on. Oh, I guess that doesn't move. So let's put some water on here. Hopefully pretty soon I'll be making my own knives. I can get rid of this. It's a nice knife, but it's cheap. Walmart Christmas special. Who knows who makes it other than made in China. So, all right. So wire. Probably ought to go get me a set of wire cutters, huh? I hate when that happens. Now I'm probably gonna have wire feed issues. Let me go grab a hair cutter here. These are never where they're supposed to be. So let's do this. Stick it on here. It looks like it take up an 8-inch roll. And I know the company that makes this, based in the US, I know, I'm sure that the machine's made in China, but you can't buy one of the cheap Chinese MIG welders, let alone MIG TIG welders, for less than 300 bucks. Okay, let's see. Their website is metalmangear.com. I know they've got a whole bunch of different welders, things like that. But I've never really seen one of these. I've seen a couple of video reviews of the arc welders, but none out of the MIG TIG welders. So we got that. Let's see. Ground climb. Stick. Solid wire. Flux Core. Now it's been several years since I've MIG or TIG welded. Not as long ago as Oxy. And that seemed to pick it up okay. I welded some other stuff with a oxyacetylene, some small stuff. Turned out pretty good. But that's in there. So here is our lead for our stick welding. For our argon gas. So I'm probably going to be converting my propane into, or my oxyacetylene into a propane. Just due to the fact that with that I'm going to be, now that I have this, I don't need to weld. Unless I'm going to do some really fine stuff. Hopefully I have the TIG by then, but I don't need the torch for welding, I just need it for heat. So come on. There we go. Doesn't lock in. Got the cylinders there. All right. It's not a great gun, but it's not a bad gun either. I mean, and it uses industry standard parts. So these are all interchangeable. And I should have bought a wrench for it. But let's take a look here. 23, 23, 30. Yeah, because I didn't buy any 30 nozzles. I don't know what that's for. Probably for that one here, I think. Oh yeah. Because we're not using the gas. The little plastic cover for it. Usually you see people running them like that. Go grab a couple pliers.